Another key data point that we look at as realtors in the region are the days on market. That is, how many days is it taking for a home to typically sell in the market at this point in time. So for the month of March, we saw that the average number of days across all types of properties was 19 days on market. February, we saw that number at 23, and January was 33 days on market. So it has declined since January, which is a good trend to see. It means that homes are selling faster than they were in January and February 2024. Let's also take a look at the monthly supply of homes for sale in the market. That's another important stat that we look at when we're determining whether we're in a buyer's market, a seller's market, or more of a balanced market. In the month of March, that number was sitting at 1.9. In the month of February, that number was at 1.7. January, that number was sitting at 1.6. So we are seeing a lot of inventory on the market at this point in time, but there's also increased buyer activity. Now, we do know that the last week of March, we saw the total number of homes that sold for Waterloo region sitting at 123, which was higher than the previous week to that, where the number was 111 homes for sale in Waterloo region. So increased buyer activity, we are seeing positive results in terms of prices and offers for homes that are coming in. Home prices steadily increasing, not by too much, but we are definitely seeing an increase. So if you are a seller sitting on the fence thinking about a move, this could be the time, because we are seeing an increased activity in the region, and you could very well get the number that you're looking for when it comes to selling your home. If you are a buyer who is also sitting on the fence waiting on the sidelines for the interest rates to go down, our advice would be, as a team, move forward, get into the market, make sure that you've got your foot in the door there, because once the interest rates come down, we are potentially looking at even more activity and higher prices for the same home that you could purchase today at a lower price. So talk to your mortgage lenders, talk to your banks, talk to whoever it is who's giving you advice on your financial capability and your numbers when it comes to putting an offer in on a home. Do talk to them, because that's an important first step. And once you've done that, then reach out to a local realtor who knows their numbers, who's watching the market steadily go whichever way, whichever direction, but go for a realtor who is actually knowledgeable and who will look out for your best interest. This is Andrea Bailey from the Bailey Advantage Real Estate. Stay tuned for more updates coming soon.